Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this Kenstar BLDC fan with remote. That too below the budget of 2000 rupees. So this is the lowest cost of BLDC fan what I have purchased. Previously, I have purchased Orient Electric BLDC fan. This is of 2600 rupees, which is this one. This is the BLDC fan, and I'll just try to switch on this. This is working perfectly good. Okay, I'll be turning off this. And one more is Polycab, and the third one is this Kenstar. And this Polycab BLDC fan is of 3000 rupees. And I want another fan. I'm pretty much satisfied with BLDC fan because my power consumption has reduced almost like 40%. The current bills I can just observe. So now we'll just try to unbox this and I'll show you how it looks and how it operates. And before going further, I just unboxed this umbrella from the brand called what is this? Carl Rich, which is totally automatic button types of with pretty good looking flexible button system umbrella. I did a detailed unboxing and full details about this umbrella, which cost like 440 rupees. Actually, I received these both at the same time. That's the reason I unboxing at the same time. Okay, if you want this umbrella unboxing and this Orient Electric and this Polycab, just find the links in the description. For now, we'll just try to open this Kenstar BLDC fan. Okay, when I just try to open the outer box, there is also inner box. This is the actual package of the fan. Yeah, and now online it is showing like 1999. You need to check in the mobile app, okay, for the exact prices. And the rating is also 4.1, which is decently good. Yeah, we'll check it. We'll check. First of all, we'll check the box contents, then we'll open the box. And see here, Kenstar Live the Ken Lifestyle it is saying. And it is showing 5-star rated BLDC fan. And if you can see, the appliance type is ceiling fan. And the brand is Kenstar, model and the year is Snow Breeze 2025, motor type BLDC, sweep size 1200 mm and power input 32 watts. Okay, air delivery 210. And the other side, it is showing like the box contents, one remote, 3 blades, one fan motor, user manual, canopy top and bottom, and shackle assistant kit, and one down rod. Okay, these are the things, and net weight is 3.2 kilo, you can see, and the unit dimensions and everything. Okay, yeah, now we'll open, and the wattage is 32 watts. Yeah, we'll open the box. Yeah, the package consists of 3 components. Yeah, these are dummy. Okay, does it have anything? Yeah, this is the covering cups. Okay, which is of white color, as I ordered the white. And there are different combinations also, colors. Other than the white, there are 2 more colors. Okay, but I thought I would purchase the white one only. But it catches dust, but it's okay. We need to clean them. Okay, these are the fan wings, and this is the main unit, the head. Okay, with good packing. Yeah, let me just take this out. Maybe I can keep it here. I can take out this box. Between this is my brand new Lenovo laptop, which I did the unboxing 2 months back. Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5625U laptop. If you want those details also, just check in the description. Yeah, this is Kenstar Breeze series, Snow Breeze series BLDC fan user manual. Okay, this is the user manual. Come warranty card, I guess, suppose. Maybe, yeah, as I purchase this, maybe the online bill will be the warranty. And here it is showing like 2-year limited domestic brand warranty. Okay, let me just keep this aside, the paperwork. And here they provided the remote control. So first of all, let me check what are the options available. This is pretty much lightweight. 2 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours. And there is reverse option also. In this budget range, there is reverse option also. For this BLDC fan of Orient Electric, there is no reverse option. Okay, reverse option is just like your exhaust fan is there, like in kitchens and the restrooms, the exhaust fan, like that. If you click on this reverse button, anyway, once I install this, I'll be showing the full operation. But this reverse option is the fan will rotate in the reverse direction, and there are speeds like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speeds, and there is one more additional option like boost here, boost, and dedicated on off button. Maybe this is the indicator light. I'll be checking this everything. Yeah, fan remote pairing instructions. Switch on fan from main supply, press on off button for 3 to 4 seconds, and then press the 1. Now the remote is ready to work with the fan. Okay, I'll be doing that once the installation is completed. Is there anything else provided? Yeah, these are the fan connecting bolts and everything. Okay, let me just open this one also. Yeah, this is the holder which holds the fan at the ceiling level. Okay, this they provided, and okay, that's it, right? So batteries, cells they didn't provide. Yeah, for this both the fans, the batteries were also provided. Are there any batteries inside here? Let me check. Let me just remove this fan. These are the blades. I'll be showing the blades later. This is the extension rod, maybe. Yeah, this is the extension rod. I'll be keeping this aside. So nothing inside, I guess. The batteries were not given, I think so. Yeah, there are no batteries. Let me just open this. Yeah, this is the head of what I want to show you, and at this budget range, this is looking a semi-premium, you can say. And these are the blades, 3 blades. Okay, 1200 mm. Okay, let me just open this. I'll be showing you one wing so that all the 3 will be similar. Okay, I'll be just taking out one. Yeah, this is a plastic, this is a metal. Okay, this is the back profile. Okay, fine, you can see. Okay, and coming to the more details, where is this? Yeah, the power consumption is 32 watts here. See here, Kenstar Ambrose White, number of blades 3, packing of 1, motor speed 500. Yeah, BE star rating, 5-star BLDC fan only. Okay, this is 5-star BLDC, and see here. Okay, there is smart mode, lets you automatically reduce the speed every 2 hours. So this is the smart mode. If we operate this for every 2 hours, there will be reduction in the speed from 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, like that, and the fan will be decreasing. There is also timer modes here, 3 timer modes. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask. Meanwhile, I'll be pausing this video. Once the fan fitting is done to the ceiling, I'll be just operating this remote and I'll show you. Yeah, I'll be back. Here the installation has been completed, and it is indicated here beside the remote, and I inserted the batteries to AAA batteries. Okay, and here it's showing like fan remote pairing instructions. Switch on fan from main supply, press on and off button for 3 to 4 seconds, and then press 1. Okay, they are asking me to just press this for 3 to 4 seconds, then 1. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, this is the fan switch. The fan switch will be turned on only, and this is the fan which is inserted, and I already paired this, so I'm just switching on this so that I can show you how it works. See, as soon as I click, it is working, but initially this remote didn't responded well, but after like 30 minutes this is working perfectly fine. Now I'll try to switch off this. Okay, when you operate this, there is a light. See here, there is no sound from the fan when you operate, but I can just see the light here. It is better, it would give a small beep sound. Yeah, this is at 1 speed, so I'll be just clicking on the top speed, which is 5 here. And remember, just note this, at 1 speed only the airflow is very good. I'll be just pressing the 5 speed. And one thing I can say, even the fan is at the top level, means it is very high from here, the airflow is really good. That I can say, airflow is really good. Yeah, the fan is looking decently good, not premium I'll say, but okay, decently good, and the airflow is good, and there is a boost option also here. I'll be showing you everything detail in a review video. Okay, for now I'll be just closing this, and please do comment your opinions on this fan. I felt this would be better if they give an off button separately.